Looking to make some extra cash in your free time? Discover how you can get paid for doing what you enjoy, from gaming to completing easy online offers. Unlock a whole new income stream without disrupting your lifestyle. Watch now to learn the insider secrets to turning your hobbies into a reliable side hustle. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine the power of turning your idle time into a lucrative income stream. Turn your idle time into real cash with xReward. xReward is a free get-paid-to app that lets you earn money by simply doing what you already enjoy. Playing games, watching videos, completing surveys, and more. Earn rewards on your own schedule without the hassle of a traditional job. With multiple earning opportunities at your fingertips, you can transform your downtime into a consistent income stream. It's like you do your usual things and racking up awesome rewards. Pretty sweet deal, right? Simply logging in daily, you're setting yourself up for success. Imagine watching your points accumulate effortlessly. It's a no-brainer, but that's just the beginning. Picture this: you're immersed in your favorite games, having a blast, and simultaneously boosting your rewards. It's the ultimate win-win situation you can't afford to pass up. Got a few minutes to spare? Turn them into instant rewards by completing quick, easy tasks. It's the smart way to make every moment count and see tangible results. Ready for some friendly competition? Challenge your friends and climb the leaderboard. Not only will you have a great time, but you'll also earn extra points. It's your chance to shine and reap the benefits. And here's the cherry on top: our exclusive giveaways. By simply entering the codes shared in the app or on their social media channels, you're opening the door to bonus rewards. It's that easy. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility of converting your earnings into your preferred payment method. Now, here's the deal with cashing out your earnings. It's super easy. You can just snap the money straight to your PayPal or bank account. No fuss, no muss. Want to keep things mobile? No problem. Top up your phone wallet, and you're good to go for on-the-spot payments. It's like having a magic money wand in your pocket. Want to spoil yourself a bit? No worries. You can get a ton of awesome gift cards up for grabs. So why not go ahead and treat yourself? You deserve it, friend. And get this, you can even recharge your phone without touching your actual cash. Pretty sweet, right? Last but not least, paying bills is a breeze. Just scan and use your points. Boom! Don't let your downtime go to waste. Download xReward now and start earning real money today. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.